Hi, I'm Linda Matthews, and in this video I'll be showing you how to make a quick and easy set of stacked pockets with cards in various different sizes using this easy-to-use junk journal template. This template set includes one template page with 3 pockets and cards in various sizes. The finished size of the largest pocket is about 3 inches wide by 4 inches high. Although the pockets and cards are designed to be stacked one on top of the other, you could also use them individually. The templates come in 2 formats. The PDF format is easy to print and can be used with your own printable papers or scrapbook papers. Or you can use the transparent PNG format in a photo editing program such as Photoshop, Photoshop Elements, or even Canva. Using this format gives you more creative options for designing using digital papers. Included are 2 styles, one with a border for a vintage style finish and one with no border for a clean edge finish. To print using your own paper, open the PDF template file. Make sure the page scaling option is set to none so that the template prints at the correct size. Insert a sheet of printable paper or scrapbook paper into your printer and then print the template page. The PDF templates are quick and easy to use. However, you have more options for creating unique designs when using the transparent PNG format files. To get started designing using the PNG format files, open one of the templates in your photo editing program. I'm using Photoshop Elements, however you could also use Photoshop or even Canva. Then add a digital paper and move it to a layer underneath the template layer. You can resize and move the paper around and even use multiple papers to align the pattern within the individual elements on the template. If there's any unwanted overlap of the papers onto sections of the template, simply add a layer mask and brush away the excess. Using a layer mask, you can hide any unwanted areas on your design. To add a layer mask, select the layer, then click the layer mask icon. Select the brush tool and the color black, and then brush over the overlapping area that you want to hide. Once you've completed your design, be sure to save the files in JPEG format for easy printing. Then print the page onto a sheet of cardstock and cut out all the pieces. To assemble the pocket and card set, crease and fold the tabs on all the pockets. To make the large pocket, apply double-sided tape or craft glue to the bottom tab and the inside edge of one of the back sections. Fold the bottom tab up, fold the side sections over, and press the pieces in place. Apply double-sided tape to the tabs on the two smaller pockets, then centre them on the front of the large pocket and press them in place. You can also resize the template to make smaller stacked card sets, and there are several ways to do this. One of the options is to resize the page from within your photo editing program before you print. In Photoshop or Photoshop Elements, you have some preset sizes, or you can set a custom size. If you're using a different program, you should have similar options. Alternatively, you can save the file full size in JPEG format and convert the JPEG file to PDF format, and then resize from within the options in your PDF program. I prefer using PDF format because it's such a flexible file format. It's easy to convert your files using a free online converter such as JPG to PDF.com. Simply upload your JPEG format files, and once the file is converted, download and open it with your PDF reader. In the Print dialog box, you have options for resizing the pages. In Adobe Reader, select Tile Multiple Pages and then set the percentage scale. If you're using a different PDF reader, you should have similar options. These printed pages were set at 100%, 90%, and 80%, and they've given me a nice set of stacked cards in 3 different sizes.